In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable place to track your key metrics at a glance. Start by opening Monday.com to the home view, then head into Workspaces. This is where your teams and boards are organized. Choose the workspace that contains the boards with the data you want to report on. Picking the right workspace keeps your dashboard tied to the correct sources and ensures the right people can find it. Inside the workspace, click the plus sign to create something new and choose Dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for, like Executive KPIs or Marketing Performance. Next, select the privacy that fits your audience. Public dashboards are visible to the whole account, while private or shareable ones are best for sensitive metrics or a smaller stakeholder group. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard. With the blank dashboard open, let's add your first widget. Click Add Widget and choose Chart. Charts are perfect for visualizing trends and comparisons, like tasks by status or revenue by month. Even if you haven't configured the data yet, adding the widget now sets up the framework you'll fine-tune in a moment. Click Add Widget again and select Numbers. The Numbers widget highlights single high-impact KPIs such as total sales, active projects, or average cycle time. Use this to spotlight the metrics leadership asks for most often. Add another widget and pick Battery. The Battery widget gives a quick progress indicator, ideal for showing completion percentages or the health of initiatives. It's a great visual cue for how things are tracking against goals. Add one more widget and select Gantt. This brings your timelines into the dashboard, helping you see dependencies, milestones, and how projects line up over time. It's especially helpful when stakeholders need a schedule view alongside performance metrics. Now, connect your data. Click Connect Boards to get started, choose the board or boards that hold the information for your KPIs, and confirm with Done. Your widgets will use these boards as their data source, allowing you to configure filters, groups, and columns later to match each metric. From here, you can arrange widgets to build a narrative. Trends at the top, KPI numbers front and center, progress and timelines below. Keep naming consistent, review permissions to ensure the right viewers have access, and align timeframes across widgets for apples-to-apples reporting. That's it. Your KPI dashboard is ready to bring your team clarity and focus.